How much money do you make with over 4 million views? My name is Moneyrobot for a really good reason. This isn't clickbait. I'm going to transparently show you how much I've earned with my most viewed video. My most watched video is the Mommy or Money video with over 4 million views and 500,000 likes. I've never done that before. If you guys feel like it, I'll do the same with other videos. The earnings vary from video to video. So, let's jump into the analytics. Let's start with the last 28 days, then I'll show you the total earnings. In the last 28 days, the video has made $131 on over 120,000 views. The video has an RPM of $1.05. You were expecting more. Okay. Now let's switch to the last 365 days. Pause for a second and comment how much you estimate I've earned. Don't cheat. Ready? Drum roll. Almost $4,000. Really awesome. It could have made even more money, but my channel wasn't monetized until this already had several 100,000 views. At its peak, the video made over $144 in a single day. These are the full numbers for this video. What do you guys think about me doing a video soon showing how much money I made from this video you are watching right now? Inception. A video to a video to a video. If you want that, leave a like. I'll hear you on the next video.